Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. Today we're diving into an amazing tool that's going to revolutionize the way you create content for your blog. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned blogger, this tutorial will show you how to use DeepSeek AI to write high-quality, engaging blog posts. 100% working and completely free. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what DeepSeek AI is. It's an advanced AI-powered writing assistant designed to help you generate content quickly and efficiently. From blog posts to social media captions, DeepSeek AI has got you covered. And the best part, it's free to use. Here's how you can use DeepSeek AI to create a blog post in just a few minutes. Keyword research and long tail optimization. Prompt: suggest 10 long tail keyword related to topics with monthly search volumes between range and low competition. Include a focus on specific user intent or subtopic. Generate trending topic ideas for a specific niche. Prompt: provide 10 listicle style blog post ideas for a niche. Target audience or criteria. Include keywords like keywords or phrases and highlight special focus or trend. Create click-worthy titles with target keywords. Prompt: generate 5 compelling blog titles for a topic that include keywords like keywords. Keep titles under length characters and optimize for higher controls by using emphasis such as power words or trends. Optimize existing content for search engines. Prompt: analyze this blog post on topic and suggest SEO improvements. Highlight missing keywords, header, tag adjustments, meta optimization, and internal linking opportunities. Offer suggestions for improving readability, user engagement, or specific SEO criteria. Craft compelling meta descriptions to boost control. Prompt: write a meta description under length characters for a post about topic. Include keywords like keywords and create urgency with phrases like call to action or engaging phrases. Find topics competitors haven't covered. Prompt: analyze the top number competitors, niche and identify number content gaps. Focus on beginner friendly topics, common pain points, and FAQs. Internal linking strategy. Prompt: suggest number relevant internal links for a blog post titled. Blog title: include specific anchor, text, and ideal target URLs from the site to boost SEO and user experience. Repurpose content for social media. Prompt: convert this word count word blog post about topic into a duration TikTok script. Use tone or style, highlight number, key actionable tips, and suggest hashtags. And that's it. With DeepSeek AI, you can create professional blog posts in minutes without spending a dime. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.